like and share and subscribe my channel. You must say hi to
Hi to everyone.
what?
Hi to everyone.
Hi to everyone daw, sabi niya. So, you'd say, magandang hapon.
Maganda.
Ay, magandang gabi pala. Magandang gabi. You must say that to our subscriber. You say, magandang gabi po.
Maganda. Bigo ah.
Ang sabi niya, magandang hiko. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi.
Maganda Bigo. Siko.
Pasensya na kayo guys ha, kasi hindi niya alam. Tinuruan ko siya magsalita ng tag Filipino. Magandang tiko daw. Kakatawa. Dito. Siya yung magdala ng trolley. Ay, nakakatawa siya guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, magandang gabi. Sabi niya, magandang tiko. We still have. We still have. Ang ano guys, yung kamote. Yung crabs guys, oh. Kumuha siya ng onion. Anong bilhin mo, sir? Anong binili mo, sir?
Onion.
Onion. Naintindihan pala daw. Anong bibilhin mo, sir? Sabi niya, onion. Namili pala siya guys. Namimili siya ng onion guys. Potato going to finish. Ang mura ng patatas dito guys, oh. 2 ringgit lang guys. This one. Grabe ang mura dito. Sorry? What is it? Hindi na maganda to, sir. Pangit na, sir. It's not good, sir. Right. Just a little bit. Ayan. Potato. May kuning. May kuning guys. Ito, paborito ko to guys. Gawing soup. Paborito niya yung potato. Don't take like this really. This one.
That will still have that.
Yeah, garlic. You want peanut?
No, 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 no.
Tingnan mo yung peanut guys, magkano na ang price niya. Only 1 ring 99 cents. Ay, ang ganda ng ano. Sarap ng ano. Tuyo, tuyo. Maybe I want buy this one, the spring onion. No more already. But this one?
This one still have this one in the fridge.
No more. I finished already yesterday.
Why you never buy this one from Papa?
I don't know you. You are the one who buys. Bought yesterday. Vegetables. This one. Tingnan. Vegetables, baby. Huh?
You like this one?
But you choose the not rotten. This one too big. Okay. Then have the small one.
No, no, this is
But it looks so old already. This one. Ah. Tingnan nyo guys, ang daming bilihin dito, ang mumura. Mas mabuti pa dito kaysa ano. Salad Romania. Lettuce. Yeah, it's chili. We still have. Yeah.
What more you will check next?
You want? Okay. Hi guys. You take photo for me. Later I take photo for you because I upload this one. I do this one. I put this one.
Go. Con.